ABC 10's Luke Clary is in Florida tonight, reporting for our sister station in Tampa.
Today, he got a close-up look at the storm's intensity as it was making landfall.
I'm standing here in front of the Tropicana Field. This is where the Tampa Bay Rays play, and as you can see, the Trop is now almost entirely without a roof. That polymer compound mostly ripping off and now looking like canvas. I can only see maybe one or two sections there that are still intact, but with every wind gust, you can hear it whipping and cracking, and you can see pieces of it flying off and into the wind. There were a number of crews stationed here earlier in the week, the National Guard and linemen preparing to help out in the aftermath here. We understand local officials have told us that they moved out of here before this damage took hold and that nobody was hurt. The Tampa Bay Rays organization confirming to us that there were no crews inside at the time, which is just so fortunate when you look at all of that damage and you think to yourself, with all of those pieces of polymer coming down onto the stands, coming down onto the field, how easily somebody could have been hurt. In downtown St. Pete, there are downed trees and branches on the roads, and a tower crane collapsed onto a building next to it. St. Pete Fire Department says that nobody was hurt, which is incredibly fortunate when you look at the damage around that building. But for the people across the Tampa Bay area who grew up going to games here, this must be a very difficult thing to see. And as the storm moves out of this area and gradually people are able to come out of their safe spaces and out into the light with the light of day, more and more of the damage that Hurricane Milton has wrought across our area will become more apparent.
ABC 10's Luke Clary reporting for us down in Florida tonight. And here is a live look at Tampa. Just look at this. Governor Gavin Newsom has deployed more than 300 additional personnel to try and help in areas impacted by Milton. But you see the rain still coming down there in Tampa, the high winds.